Welcome to this video. Today we'll talk about PST to Office 365 import and how to avoid data loss disasters. Migrating PST to Office 365 is not just a task, it is a critical decision. One wrong step can delete emails forever. In this video, you'll learn the safe way. No errors, no loss, no downtime. Why migration is critical. PST files are outdated and risky. They have size limits. They can get corrupted anytime. There is no central security. Office 365 offers cloud backup and compliance. That's why smart migration is essential. Why PST imports fail? Most data loss happens during import. Large PST files fail to upload. Wrong mailbox mapping causes missing emails. Network issues interrupt the process. Manual methods increase human error. The only tool that can help. To avoid these problems, you need a reliable solution. A tool designed for secure migration. That solution is Advic PST Converter. You can download it from the link below. Why choose Advic PST Converter? The tool imports PST directly to Office 365. Even large PST files are handled easily. It can migrate emails in bulk without any hassle. The process is fast and accurate. Emails, attachments, and contacts stay intact. And the best part, no data loss, no duplicates. Detailed steps to import PST to Office 365. First, launch Advic PST Converter on your system. Click Select Files or Select Folders. Add your PST file. Choose the mailbox folders you want. Click Next. Select Office 365 as the saving option. Enter your Microsoft 365 email address. Lastly, enter your password. The import process will begin automatically, and that's it. Your PST data is now safely in Office 365. No risks, no stress. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, give it a like. Subscribe to the channel for more useful guides. Check the download link in the description. Try Advic PST Converter today.